Logging into the mCare digital app is simple. If you have an existing username that you've been using for the mCare Watch application, please use that, including the password. If you are a new customer, please go all the way to the bottom that says don't have an account, register here. If in this process you forgot your password, you can find that reset function just underneath the login button. So grab your username and your password and leave the OTP blank if you have not registered for two-factor authentication and log in. Once you log in, this home setup screen will pop up. I would highly recommend not skipping this step because configuring your Wi-Fi location is going to enable greater accuracy for the information that's transmitted into the app through the device. So we will go and select ping device. We select the device that you paired up and you have purchased. And now we're waiting for the device to respond, which can take up to 5 minutes. Now, what I would suggest is that you come back to the phone or the app, but don't actually sign out of the app. As soon as the connection has been made, you will see a list of Wi-Fi routers available to be configured. It might only be that you will see one, but find the one that is yours. If you're close to your neighbors, there might be a few of those. In order to truly confirm the address, you will be able to zoom in and out through the plus minus sign to confirm that this is indeed your location. Once you do that, you will be able to see it closer through a zoomed in map. If this is your location, confirm it by pressing the button, and you should then see the green location verified sign, which means that your setup was completed successfully. Click Finish Setup.